Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the financial sector? In this current digital age, it's hard not to notice the rise of artificial intelligence in various sectors, and finance is no exception. A field once dominated by human expertise and intuition is now increasingly relying on the power of AI to solve complex problems. From risk assessment to fraud detection, AI has introduced a new era of efficiency and precision. But how exactly is AI changing the game? Well, it's all about data, interpreting it, learning from it, and making swift, informed decisions. Two of the most significant areas where AI is making a mark are in risk and fraud analysis and algorithm-based automated investments. AI has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed, making it an invaluable tool in identifying potential risks and fraudulent activity. Similarly, AI algorithms are revolutionizing how we invest, making the process more streamlined and efficient than ever before. Let's delve into the world of AI-powered risk and fraud analysis. Consider a world where financial institutions can detect fraudulent transactions in real time. That's not a distant reality, but today's AI-powered financial sector. Let's delve into a practical example. Picture a major credit card company that processes millions of transactions daily. They employ AI algorithms to analyze these transactions, scrutinizing patterns and behaviors. These algorithms are smart enough to distinguish between a usual purchase and an anomaly, like a sudden high-value transaction or a series of purchases in a location far from the cardholder's typical haunts. When such anomalies are flagged, they can be cross-checked for potential risks or fraudulent activities. This way, AI is not just an auxiliary tool, but a frontline defense against fraud. The result? More secure transactions, less financial loss, and enhanced consumer trust. As you can see, AI has revolutionized risk and fraud analysis, but that's not all. It's also making waves in the realm of investments. Imagine an investment strategy that evolves with market trends, automatically adjusting your portfolio for optimum returns. This is the reality with algorithm-based automated investments powered by AI. In a world where market conditions can change in a blink, AI algorithms analyze these trends, predict future movements, and adjust investment portfolios accordingly. Consider the case of an AI trading bot that boosted returns by 20% in just 3 months. Indeed, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the financial sector. From risk analysis to automated investments, AI is indeed redefining the financial landscape. We've seen how AI enhances risk and fraud analysis, providing more accurate and efficient detection. It's also revolutionizing investments, with algorithms making calculated decisions in real time. All these advancements underscore AI's transformative role in finance. As we continue to embrace AI, one thing is certain: the financial sector as we know it is on the brink of an exciting new era.